Muini na mutabania wa magongona MC Karangu wa Muraya ni eyumiritie na gutariria gitumi giake gukorwo ehothete na njira nene gutigirira muini uria ukoretwo kwa ihinda iraya irima-ini ria nduma ya ugima wake wa mwiri niwe Mutara ni ahona. Karangu kugerera ndumiriri iria andikite rurenda-ini rwake rwa Facebook augite macemanirie na Mutara miaka 8 mihituku na hindi iyo ari na rwimbo o rumwe tu. Macemanirie Limuru igongona-ini rimwe ria kanitha na kuria Mutara na DK Karanja metitwo mari guest artist, na tondu muini ona kanya kari na aini ni ageragia kuhoya onake ine. Karangu ekire oro uguo no MC akirega kumuhe kanya. Maikarakara Mutara ni etirwo arugame aine no nake oire kanya na akimwita Karangu ambe aine mbere yake, na MC kana DJ wa igongona riri matiari na wiki tiga kureka Karangu akiine. Ndugu yao ekianjiriria hau na ikimata biu andikite ciugo ici: Tenda wema nenda zako. 8 years ago I had just one song which was called Negwarahuka. I met Mutara and DK Karanja in an event at Limuru where they were invited as guest artists. I requested the MC to give me a chance to perform my song, and he told me that he just have an opportunity for the 2 guest artists who had an official invitation, and so siwezi pata nafasi. My brother Mutara had our conversation, and him together with DK said they will not perform before I am given a chance. The MC called to perform, and when he was handed the microphone, he said he want first his brother to perform. He called me and requested DJ first to play my song. I couldn't imagine his humbleness, and that's how we became friends. Wewe tenda wema na uende zako, huo wema utakufuata. Karangu athiete na mbere na gutariria mari oro igongona-ini riri atwarithagia ngari muthemba wa Pujo 205 iria agurite ciringi 25,000 na amitigite mucii tondu ndari na mbeca cia gwikira maguta, na koguo ahuthirite matatu guthii igongona riri riria we atari mwite. Makiinuka akihoya lift Mutara uria watigirire ni akinya nginya kuria aikaraga mwena wa Kariombangi Nairobi, nake Mutara agithie na mbere nginya kuria aikaraga hindi iyo mwena wa Kasarani. Niguo ekuga. Still on Limuru event where I first met Dennis. That time I was driving a Pujo 205 car which I had bought at 25,000, and that day I had no money to fuel it, so I boarded a matatu to Limuru for that event. When we finished the event, I requested Dennis to give me a lift, and he told me mukuri no gutiga ni wakinya mucii. Though he told me that he lived at Kasarani, he dropped me at Kariombangi where I was living at that time. Ndakenete tahiti. Ngai wakwa ririkana mawega mothe ma Mutara umuhe ihinda ringi ria gukugoca. Iyo niyo ndumiriri ria Karangu wa Muraya andikite iria ihutitie andu aingi na arata aingi aria riu metikitie kweri ndugu ya Mutara na Karangu yumite kuraya.